Clearing your aura and balancing your 7 chakras can be a powerful practice for achieving inner harmony and overall well-being. Our aura and chakras are integral parts of our energetic system, and when they are balanced and clear, it can have a profound positive impact on our physical, emotional, and spiritual health. Here are some steps to help you clear your aura and balance your 7 chakras. Before you start working on your energy system, it's essential to understand what the aura and chakras are. The aura is the subtle energy field that surrounds your body, while the chakras are energy centers located along your spine, each associated with specific aspects of your physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. Begin by grounding yourself. Sit or stand comfortably and take a few deep breaths. Imagine roots growing from the soles of your feet into the earth, connecting you to its energy. This grounding helps you remain rooted and balanced throughout the process. To clear your aura, visualize a bright white or golden light surrounding your body. Imagine this light cleansing and purifying your aura, removing any negative or stagnant energy. You can also use tools like smudging with sage or using a crystal such as clear quartz to cleanse your aura. Focus on each of the 7 chakras, starting from the base and moving upwards. Root chakra, Muladhara, visualize a red spinning wheel at the base of your spine. Imagine it becoming brighter and more balanced, connecting you to feelings of safety and security. Sacral chakra, Swadhisthana, visualize an orange wheel just below your navel. See it spinning and radiating a balanced, vibrant energy, enhancing your creativity and passion. Solar plexus chakra, Manipura, imagine a yellow wheel at your solar plexus. Visualize it spinning, boosting your self-confidence and personal power. Heart chakra, Anahata, visualize a green wheel at your heart center. See it glowing with love and compassion, promoting emotional healing and connection. Throat chakra, Vishuddha, visualize a blue wheel at your throat. Imagine it spinning freely, enhancing your ability to express yourself and communicate clearly. Third eye chakra, Ajna, visualize an indigo wheel at your forehead. See it opening, enhancing your intuition and insight. Crown chakra, Sahasrara, imagine a violet or white wheel at the top of your head. Visualize it expanding, connecting you to higher consciousness and spiritual wisdom. Spend time meditating on each chakra individually, using corresponding colors, affirmations, and visualizations to balance and cleanse them. This helps release any blockages and aligns the energy centers. A balanced third eye chakra can lead to a heightened sense of intuition and inner knowing. This can help you make better decisions in various aspects of life, as you become more attuned to your inner guidance. An open third eye chakra is associated with clear thinking and mental clarity. You may find it easier to solve problems, see situations from a broader perspective, and think critically. Your awareness expands beyond the physical realm. You may become more attuned to subtle energies, the interconnectedness of all things, and the spiritual aspects of life. The third eye chakra is often linked to spiritual growth and awakening. It can lead to a deeper understanding of spiritual truths, a connection to higher consciousness, and a sense of purpose and meaning in life. Many artists, writers, and creative individuals credit an open third eye chakra for increased creativity and inspiration. It can help you tap into your creative potential and express it more authentically. With a clearer perception of your inner self and external circumstances, you may make more informed and aligned decisions, leading to positive life changes. An open third eye chakra can facilitate deeper meditation experiences and greater mindfulness in daily life. This can lead to reduced stress, increased inner peace, and a sense of serenity. A balanced third eye chakra can help you manage your emotions more effectively and approach challenges with a sense of equanimity. As you become more aware of your thought patterns, beliefs, and inner motivations, you may embark on a journey of personal growth and self-discovery, which can be profoundly transformative. Your intuition becomes a reliable guide in various situations, allowing you to trust your inner wisdom and make choices that align with your highest good. Maintain a healthy lifestyle, practice mindfulness, and incorporate self-care routines into your daily life. Eating well, exercising, and managing stress contribute to overall balance and harmony. Clearing your aura and balancing your chakras is an ongoing process. Make it a regular practice to maintain your energetic well-being and inner harmony. Remember that everyone's journey is unique, and it may take time to feel the full effects of aura and chakra work. Trust the process, stay patient, and you'll likely notice positive changes in your physical, emotional, and spiritual state as you achieve greater inner harmony.